Welcome back to HDTechLogic. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a Windows Sandbox to your computer. This is great if you want to test out a website that you may think is malicious, or if you want to check out some software that you want to verify the safety of. This is a great way to have an isolated version of Windows directly in your computer, with no extra installation needed. Let's get started. To turn on the Windows Sandbox, go to your Start menu and type Turn Windows Features on or off. Open this and it will bring up this dialog. What you then want to do is scroll to the bottom and check the option for Windows Sandbox. Then check OK. Windows will search for the files and then it needs to restart. Restart your system. Once you've logged back in after the restart, go to your Start menu and type Windows Sandbox. And there should be a new application called Windows Sandbox. Open the application. And there you go. There's a Windows 11 or Windows 10, depending on your OS, operating system directly in Windows. Now, animations are turned off on this Sandbox machine and it's automatically logged in to the Windows Defender utility account. Note, it's a bit like a server type Windows machine and it can be disconnected. Note that once you shut down or disconnect the system, it's gone forever. The Sandbox is purely designed for one-time testing purposes. See, if we shut down, Windows Sandbox will be shutting down and will be closed. Once you click OK, it's gone. And that's how you install Windows Sandbox to the computer.